Finally, after selling both of my cars, my inline 6 and my V10, E36 and 3 E60 M5 day. I don't know what I got confused with those numbers. But anyway, finally about to go pick up another car, purchase it, and it'll be my first V12 to the channel. Well, my first V12 ever. So stay tuned. It's currently like 6:30. I woke up at like 5 o'clock, couldn't sleep. But yeah, let's go. So we get ourselves a car. Boom. So just like that, we're back. I haven't had a car for, let's say, 6 months. As a car guy, that sucks, that hurts, I hate it. But we are here now. Why did I sell my cars? I sold them to get into the trucking business with the P word going on right now. Trucking business is a really good thing to be in. So I sold out, sold everything, went in a little bit of debt to get some trucks. Have them now. They're on the road making a little bit of money. And this is my first real purchase with that. I got into the cologne game. If y'all want to know more about that, let me know. I'll make some videos about it. I'm actually loving that. Anyway, we're gonna go pick this car up. It's a Charlotte, North Carolina. It's a V12, and it's gonna be one that you haven't heard or thought of or taken seriously, but you probably should. I'll kick in with y'all boys. I bought it. Little backstory. I hadn't had a car for like over 6 months, 6, 7, 8. Damn, it felt like a year, bro. I hadn't had one for a while. Reason being, with COVID going on, it was a perfect opportunity to start something, invest in something. So I sold both of my cars, the M3 and the M5, made a little bit of profit on both to buy a semi-truck, my first semi-truck. Now we, as in me and my pops, who I'm in business with, we have 5 semis now. So things are starting to take off, things are starting to look good, and I felt comfortable enough to make my first purchase. Now, it's not the end-all be-all purchase, but the purchase is going to allow me to drive something around daily while I'm looking for that supercar goal. Y'all know that's my goal, man. Y'all know that's what I want. Hold on. So with that, y'all know we have to stop real quick to give a shout out to our sponsors of today. Sponsors would be LabCorp, where I work. They would not be Dasani yet.
Who are you?
I'll start drinking y'all more. I usually drink I'm not going to get caught up. Water is usually my thing, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, so I bought the daily driver, and it's a V12. Kind of bought it on a whim. It was just, I saw one parked out, at church one day, and I was like, I want one. So I went and got it. Did what it took. But it was dope. If you want to hear about the experience, comment down below. I got you. But without further ado, boom. I'm not gonna hit y'all with too many cinematics, bro. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long, hit y'all with too many cinematics. But this is the V12 Beast. Few things to notice, man. I love my classics, but I love the classics that needed a little bit of work. Some of y'all probably saying, well, Marcus, you sell your cars before you can do the work. I'm not gonna sell this one before I do the work. I love this car. It's extremely fun. Little AMG wheels on there. Some people get the 3-piece wheels, but I actually really like these. So lines of business, a couple things I peeped out. First and foremost, this is like fading. Somebody put some kind of wax on the car. As you can see in the sunlight, the paint is god awful. I mean, the paint is good quality, but swirls and all that, like it's like some kind of wax or something. It rubs off, but whatever. Yeah, just needs a good detail, and I want to get ceramic coated. We can walk around, like you can even tell, like in some of the trim here, like when somebody was waxing it, they got the wax in the trim, and it's like that all over the car. Need a really good detailing. They even got it like on the door panels here, but whatever, scratches here and there, but got a really good deal on it. Backstory is that the guy that was selling the car, he was downsizing, and he, needed to sell the car. He asked a certain price for it. Me, I negotiated. Come to find out, he kind of went for my offer. But anyway, come to find out, he thought he was gonna keep this car forever. And there's one invoice for over $10,000 to get anything on this car fixed that will go wrong in the next 50,000 miles. Bro, why didn't y'all tell me I got a little Polynesian sauce right here? It's neither here nor there, but it's there, man. So yeah, that's the SL600. Of course, it's a more in-depth view. You can see the inside, all that good stuff. But what would that be all being in one video? I'll let you know the mileage, the down and dirty between the cracks, like, you know, everything that's going on with it. I probably won't tell you word for word each plan, because I've been doing that, and whenever I do that, like, I don't do it. So I'm not gonna tell y'all my plan until it's happening, you know. So yeah, SL600. But y'all see that? I don't know what happened. That thing like fell out down there. I hope y'all can see it, but yeah, that's the SL600. It's the daily. And man, stay tuned. Once again, it's Charlotte Flex. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you again, once again, to not the sponsor. They're not the sponsor. Sponsor myself right now. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow my Insta, all that stuff. Oh, we had like 77 subscribers. So, man, let's push to 100, dude. Like, I know I've been slacking. I know I ain't been around, but I'm back. We got a new project card, bro. Got a new project. So I'm gonna need y'all. I thought a dog or something was coming. I need y'all to subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all be easy. Peace. Hold it down. Love y'all.